Video 12, sum number 5. Cos cube A plus sin cube A upon cos A plus sin A plus cos cube A minus sin cube A upon cos A minus sin A equal to 2. Take LHS. Remember, a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So, cos a plus sin a, cos square a minus cos a sin a plus sin square a upon cos a plus sin a plus cos a minus sin a cos square a cos a sin a plus sin square a upon cos a minus sin a. I got 1 minus cos a sin a plus 1 plus cos a sin a equal to 2, that equal to RHS. Sum number 7. Tan a plus 1 upon cos a whole square tan a minus 1 upon cos a whole square equal to 2 1 plus sin square a 1 minus sin square a. Take LHS. Tan a plus sec a whole square tan a minus sec a whole square. Apply formula. Tan square a plus sec a square a plus 2 tan a sec a plus tan square a plus sec a square a minus 2 tan a sec a. This get cancelled. 2 tan square a plus 2 sec a square a, 2 common, tan square a plus sec a square a, tan square a I can write as sin square upon cos square a plus 1 upon cos square a, 1 plus sin square a upon cos square a, 1 plus sin square upon 1 minus sin square a, that equal to RHS. Next sum number 6. We have done earlier 2 difficult sums. Yesterday last sum and the last sum of the first worksheet. This is father of all those 2 sums, but not expected in boards, but definitely expected in school, any examination. So be careful. Sum number 6. Tan a 1 minus cot a 1 minus tan a equal to sec a cosec a plus 1. take LHS. Convert everything in sine and cos. Sine upon cos A, 1 minus cos A upon sine A. Cos A upon sine A, 1 minus sine A upon cos A. Numerator as it is. Denominator take sine A as LCM. Sine A minus cos A. Numerator as it is. Take cos A LCM. Cos A minus sine A. This cos comes down, sine goes up. Otherwise, best way, do this way. Sine A upon cos A into sine A upon sine A minus cos A. Cos A upon sine A into cos A upon cos A minus sine A. Now I will change this sign. Sine square A upon cos A into sine A minus cos A. Change the sign. Cos square A. Since I change the sign, so cos A minus sine A become sine A minus cos A. Now take 1 upon sine A minus cos A common. Sine square A upon cos A, cos square A upon sine A. Outside as it is. Inside take LCM. Sine cube A minus cos cube A. 1 upon sine A minus cos A. Apply A cube minus B cube formula. Sine A minus cos A, sine square A plus cos square A plus sine A cos A upon cos A sine A. Cancel. Sine square plus cos square is 1. So 1 plus sine A cos A upon cos A. Now do separation. 1 upon cos A sine A plus sine A cos A upon cos A sine A. Sec A cosec A plus 1, that equal to RHS. Video ends.